what's up? This is your girl Dalou. In today's video, I am going to show you how I set up the living room for all year around decor with a little dash of spring. I would love it if you stick around. Also, if you are new to my channel, welcome to the Glam Squad family. I upload glam home decor and DIY videos. Please hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload. And to my returning Glam Squad, thank you to all of you for your love and support.
Just playing the way you're making it move. Yeah, you do it so smooth. Make it all about you. Can have it all if you want. Taking the chance, stuck in my head. Not gonna leave it at that. Taking the lead, feeling your heat. Just wanna give you my best. Taking the chance, stuck in my head. Not gonna leave it at that. Taking the lead, feeling your heat. Just wanna give you my best. Don't even know your name, but you got me, cause you're old to die. We don't know what happens next, but you got me, cause I'm next in line. You make it look so easy, making me feel so dreamy. Not the one who pays for drinks, but you got me, cause you're old to die. Yeah, take a chance. Give it all to me, give it all to me. Yeah, take a chance. Give it all to me, give it all to me.
For those of you who are new and those of you who are interested, at the end of the video, I'm gonna go over everything to let you guys know where everything came from. If you would like to know where anything came from, please stay tuned for that.
Yeah. Show my love for you, show my love for you. Taking the chance, stuck in my head, not gonna leave it at that. Taking the lead, feeling your heat. Just wanna give you my best. I don't even know your name, but you got me, cause you're old to die. We don't know what happens next, but you got me, cause I'm next in line. You make it look so easy, making me feel so dreamy. Not the one who pays for drinks, but you got me, cause you're old to die. Yeah, take a chance. Give it all to me, give it all to me. Yeah, take a chance. Give it all to me, give it all to me. Yeah, take a chance. Give it all to me, give it all to me. Yeah, take a chance. Give it all to me, give it all to me.
As you can see, the theme color for this decor was white, gold, and silver. I thought it was a great design for all year round, and I can add items that fit the particular season like a bunny, pumpkins, or some sparkly ornaments. Right now, we're gonna go over the items in the room. I'm going to start with the rug. Mine is from All Modern or Wayfair. However, they don't have it anymore, but I found a similar one on Amazon by the same company, Savavi. I have it listed for you guys in the description box. So the coffee table is from Wayfair, but as of right now, it is sold out. Okay, so moving forward, the mirror tray, it's a regular mirror, and I love to use mirror for tray. It's from Hobby Lobby, and look at this beautiful tea light candle holder, so pretty and glam. It's from Home Goods. The tray is from Home Sense. It's a really nice tray. I love the gold at the bottom and the purplish. I think it's just so pretty, and the beautiful vase, you guys. I got it from Burlington. The gorgeous flowers are from TJ Maxx. I love them. I only have 3 branches in there. It was a great investment. The tall candle is from Home Goods and have like a subtle glam to it. And the 2 smaller ones are from the Dalou store. I have been talking about them forever in terms of how pretty they are and how good they are for $1. And let me show you this thing, you guys. Show you how pretty that is. Look at that. It is a leaf tray and I got it from Amazon. It is by Classic Touch. I love Classic Touch items not only because they are super beautiful, but they look super expensive as well. Okay, the small end table is from HomeSense. On the end table, I have this box that is from Amazon and the love sign from Burlington. I know it's not Valentine's Day, but this love sign, you guys, look at it. It is too pretty for me to not use it when it's necessary. On the other table, I have some coasters. I have the little candle and that thing, I don't know how you call it. It's from Home Goods as well. I bought it long time ago. Candle holders from Home Goods and Macy's Backstage. The beautiful lamp is from Tuesday Morning. And that beautiful box is a DIY by moi. Okay, I have a link for it. It will be in the description box. The table is from Wayfair. Unfortunately, it is sold out as well. This beautiful, gorgeous wall art is from Home Goods. This wall art is super heavy. Recently, he had fell down and messed up this side of the wall, including the molding. Hopefully, it will be fixed soon. The mirror is from Burlington for $100. And the 2 small mirrors next to it are from my Family Dollar store. As you can see, all of my things are a combination of a little bit expensive and not so expensive items. And on the sofa, the 2 pillows at the end are from Z Gallery. The big white one in the middle is from Home Goods, and the one at the bottom is from HomeSense or Home Goods because I have 2 of them. One is from Home Goods and the other one is from HomeSense. I wouldn't know which one is which because they are the exact same one. I love these pillows, you guys, because they are just so pretty. And look at this gorgeous throw, and you see how well it goes with the pillows. It is from Z Gallery. Super nice, so gorgeous. I love it. On the love seat, I have these 2 pillows that are from Home Goods. Both sofas are from Wayfair. However, Wayfair does not have them anymore. Now Amazon have them. I will leave the link for you guys. In this corner, I have this side table that I got from Target. It is both a table and a basket. I love it. So stylish and functional. Super tall skinny vase is from Z Gallery. The flowers are a combination of flowers from Michael's, Hobby Lobby, and Joanne. The canvas are from HomeSense. Glam Big Beautiful Juicy Vase was a DIY, and the flowers are from Hobby Lobby. Do you see how pretty they are? Super pretty. I love these flowers, you guys. They are some of my favorite flowers. Finally, you guys, I removed the old curtains that I had in there and put this new one. These old curtains were there for over 2 years. As much as I love them, I'm happy that I have new ones there now. These beautiful curtains are from Amazon. They go all the way up to the ceiling. And they are touching the floor. The shelves are from Amazon. I will leave the links for everything that I purchased online. The vases are from Hobby Lobby. This book at the bottom is from Home Goods. This one is from the gallery. This one is for my husband's office. And here, flowers are from Joanne. The vases are from Burlington, including the little monkey. Candle pillars from Home Goods, including the coasters. The picture was a gift for my wedding 11 years ago. And on this side, I pretty much have the same thing. The vases are from Hobby Lobby and everything else are from Home Goods except for the books and the monkey. Guys, if you like today's video, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with all of your friends and your family. I would love to have you as part of the Glam Squad family. Please do not leave without hitting your subscribe button and turning your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. I thank you for spending your time with me today. I will see you on the next video. I love you always. Bye bye.